seeing as the Serrano ones were super sweet, like mini capsicums, no heat whatsoever, let's go for the good old-fashioned jalapeno. Now these ones are fiery to jalapeno, so I don't know how hot these get to, but we're about to find out. Ooh. So far, oh no, there we go. I'd say so far not too bad. Sure you don't want to join me, Mo? That's got a bit of fire to it. That's more all over warmth. It's not destroying my mouth, but I can feel it throughout my chest. Whoa. Favorite thing about jalapenos though is they taste good. They actually have nice flavour. Unlike Reapers and habaneros, which have got a very acrid, bit of a horrible taste, these are lovely and hot. I'll finish that and let you know how I do in 5 minutes. It's been a few minutes now, and that's a hot jalapeno. You can get them where they are mild as, but this one is definitely got quite a bit of fire to it. I don't know how this journey is going to do with my insides. Probably going to give myself an ulcer. But one day we'll be munching that one. Bye.